Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Weekly weather pick. We show these on Monday. If you want to get yours submitted, just go to mywabashvalley.com, click on weather. The tab will come down. You can submit that. This came from Tom Wilson from Terre Haute. He called it an unusual cloud. Almost looks like a front moving in or a storm moving in with the leading edge of it. But thank you very much, Tom, for that picture. We greatly appreciate that. You know, it's June, and that means it's tropical season in the Atlantic Basin. So I kind of like to keep you up to date. A lot of people have travel plans to the coastal areas. You have family that lives there. Things look fine now. There's a lot of convection out here, but that is moving away and way up here. Look at that. That's not even on the ocean. It's over land, but that's a big storm complex coming down across Arkansas. Speaking of storms, tornado count. I wanted to show you this. As of the end of May, the state that continues to lead the nation is Iowa. Although Texas catching up there. 98. Almost every state has seen some tornadoes already. Already 36 in Indiana, well above normal already, and 63 across the state line in Illinois. So it has been a busy year so far with tornadoes across the United States. Temperature-wise today, we hit 85 for the high. Not a record, though. 95, the record set back in 1934. 61 was our low early this morning. That's pretty close to the average. No rain today, obviously, with a lot of sunshine out there. For the month, we're at 0.6 inches. Typically one of our busy months with rain at just under 5 inches on average here at the TV station. The Wabash River in Terre Haute, it's going down now. It's about 8.5 feet, so 8 feet under flood stage. This is what we're looking at then as we head through time. Looking pretty warm for the time being. Some rain chances, dry at the end of the week, and then also pretty good weekend coming up. As a matter of fact, I think a good stretch of weather's coming up. Here's our cyclecast projected for 7 o'clock Eastern time. Sunshine, although there'll be a few clouds around, and a south wind, nice warm temperatures as well. It's going to stay nice and mild for a while yet, it looks like. Terre Haute right now at 84, winds are south at about 10 miles per hour. Relative humidity not real high. Temperatures pretty much in the 80s. We have an 89 right now up in Danville, 88 over in Champaign, Illinois. Our joint water tower forecast, we take you to Greene County. Linton, Indiana, mostly clear, 67, should be a good night across the valley. Big complex of storms down here, dropping down to the south and southeast. You can see this little line here making its way southeast. For us, there's a few scattered showers popping up over near St. Louis, but nothing showing up here in this area. Here's the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar. Again, not anything in our area, but off to the south, we do see some lightning down here. This is lifting kind of north, but it will be fading away with time, although I wouldn't rule out maybe a couple spotty showers get into our southwestern counties this evening, but that would be about it. As you can see, around maybe 9, 10 o'clock, but I think they'll be very spotty, mostly in the far southwest. The rest of the night should be fine. Tomorrow, though, we start to see a few scattered showers or storms developing by the afternoon, and a few more on Wednesday, although I think by about mid-afternoon Wednesday, a front will clear. So we should be looking at drier weather by Wednesday evening. People have been asking about severe weather, maybe a couple of stronger storms here or there, but I don't see this as a big problem for us as far as a lot of severe weather. Rain's going to be spotty as well. Some places may pick up a little heavier amounts, but generally I think this is not a huge rain event for the valley. After that, look at this. Dry weather then to round out the week and take you right into the, it looks like probably the first part of next week as a dry pattern and kind of a calmer pattern settles in across this area. Rainfall next 10 days. You can see a little bit over this area, but again, right now, not looking too excessive. Heavier rains off to the south. Forecast for tonight then goes like this. Again, maybe a spotty shower early in the southwest. That would be about it. Temperature drops down to about 67. During the day tomorrow, a few scattered afternoon, evening type showers and storms developing. Temperatures will stay warm tomorrow with a daytime high getting back up to about 84. After that, any showers or storms should be over by mid-afternoon Wednesday, opening the door for great weather to round out the week and head for the weekend with highs in the 80s.